Okay, hey guys, Easy Scout here. I'm gonna be doing challenge with Fred Chris behind the camera.
Hey, what's up?
So we're doing. He already made his. We'll edit that in. What is on the spoon?
You're gonna probably vomit, just so you know.
Okay, we're
You're
doing
gonna get sick.
liquid fridge challenge. I thought of it. You grab all liquids in the fridge, pour it into a cup. We're not doing that. It's edited. 5 liquids poured into a cup. We make each other's. I'm making his. All right. Let's see. Need a base color. Let's quickly check what we got. Yeah. One more. Oh God. I feel bad. Little bit.
Okay, guys. So today, shut up. So today we are doing a drink challenge. So far in his, I have put maple syrup and milk, and this is the 3rd ingredient out of 5. So let me just set this up here. And here's the topper. Adam. Okay, I'm all good. No, hold on.
Did you do your intro stuff?
Hang on.
I have to stir it.
I'm still recording. I have to stir it. Don't look.
Okay. What? Don't touch this. I'm gonna use the same spoon.
That's fine. Are you gonna try yours first, or are you gonna make mine?
I'm gonna make your. Oh. There's definitely some milk in there. Well, I was in the bathroom. I was looking at the mouthwash. I was reading the back of it.
It's not that bad. I was nice.
Oh. I didn't know what to expect. There's actually, I get, there's syrup in this.
There might be.
I feel bad now. I didn't
nice. I was good to you.
I wasn't know what I
With this stuff off.
I didn't know what to expect. I thought you were being mean.
No, I wasn't being mean. Were you?
Kinda. Is there going?
Can I get like a drink where like I
You
have
don't have to
milk?
drink the whole thing because you have a lot more than I do.
Did you stir it?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just getting like a sip.
Get some. Yeah, you might need that.
Did you put milk in mine?
Not that kind of milk. Look next to it.
Where's the lid?
Oh, that's where that went. It's right here.
I actually want to try this.
Yeah,
I
it's out in milk.
my cabinet.
Alright, that's not how to go ahead. Here it's better for hot sauce. That's the kind of stuff you need for hot sauce.
Oh my god.
What?
It's like pure vanilla.
Yeah, isn't it good?
Really?
Oh, with the other stuff, it's gonna taste delicious.
You put hot sauce in it. I can see the hot sauce.
Look at the ears, that's chunks. Is it
Oh
going?
my god, it smells like hot sauce. You go first. I was nice to you. Do you want to know what was in mine? Do you want to know what I put in yours?
Oh, what is it?
Okay, sit down. Yeah, go sit down. Alright, I put syrup.
Yeah.
I put 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yes. I put milk, Welch's squeezable jelly, milk, and the topper was lemon juice. I was kind of nice.
I don't like this stuff. Oh, it's all over my left. Wait, where'd you grab that one from?
Right here.
Oh,
Why, is that the bad one?
I didn't put that in yours.
Did you put Miracle Whip in mine?
No.
Move this out of the way. I think
Wait.
this will taste better.
Can I get some of that? I need to wash your towel.
Oh my god, that's not so bad. That's bad. Okay. It smells like pure hot sauce.
I tried getting rid
Did you put taco sauce in this?
You mentioned it.
I said don't put anything hot.
Oh. I thought you said put something hot. You need this. Can it see you? Here, sit in this one.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get sick. What's the smell of it? I don't want to do this. You're an asshole.
Just a sip.
That tastes like pure vomit. What did you put in this? Okay, obviously ranch. Miracle Whip? You loaded this in Miracle Whip?
Where's the other one?
Wait, there's only 3 here.
No. I didn't.
Sesame garlic?
Oh.
This is not... Okay, it's kind of liquidy. What else did you put in here?
I snuck it back to my room, Steve, just like that.
Frank's Red Hot. You piece of shit. This was awful.
Wait, record the. Get that. What's yours look like?
That's about the same.
Honestly, they both look awful. Adam, they both look awful.
Actually, they have traffic jam.
Alright, turn it off.
Alright guys, so that was our challenge video. It sucked. So do you. Alright, we'll catch you guys later. Peace. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you later.